Neoprene is a delicate material, so small holes, cuts or tears can occur if you're taking it off in a hurry or if you catch it on a sharp edge. To repair your wetsuit, you need just 3 items: neoprene glue or black silicone glue, a cotton bud and a tissue. Firstly, on a flat surface, fold your suit at the cut to make it bigger. Be careful, however, not to make the cut any larger. Apply a thin layer of glue to both sides of the cut. Use a cotton bud to spread the glue around and into every crevice of the cut. Wait 1 minute to allow the glue to become tacky, then press the cut together. Use a tissue or cotton bud to remove any excess glue. Hold the cut closed for a few minutes, then leave it to dry for at least 12 hours. You are now ready to get back into the water.